Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. We have here 2016 Nissan Rogue. Check engine light is on. Transmission was replaced. So let's go and check one at least. Check one code at the time, and then we take it from there. You know, like when you change it, you have to do the transmission, or you get a Judder code. Okay, do you have any Judder code here? I don't see no Judder code, but I see some code, input speed, and vehicle speed sensor, 3x. Okay, I'm gonna erase this. Before I erase, I gotta go back to see if this is for the transmission or the engine. So let me go to the engine first. Maybe I'll check the engine first, I'm not sure. This is the engine. You see, okay, those are the engine code. So let me go back to the transmission code. Yes, you see here, transmission code is different. So what I'm gonna do is, even if you erase it, the transmission code never go away. You see, so now what I'm gonna do, I will put my feet in the brake and the gas. Then I will try to do the relearn work support. Car is running, I'm gonna turn the key off. Engine off, ignition on, and then I go right this one, get the software. I'm gonna open this one here. Where is that one? Maybe it's here. And then go to this one, Nissan Rogue. That's the code I have. This is what is on the transmission. Okay, go next now. Push the brake, push the gas, move the car here, start. Say now, put this one back, remove your feet, off for a couple of seconds, on now. Next, right. That's it, end. Now go here. It should go orange or yellow. Erase. It's okay. Close it. Go back. I want to go back one thing. Engine. Let me clear this code too. Close it. Start the car. Hopefully everything gonna be okay. Good. So we can move them. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.